In this video, I will share with you how you can log in ING Bank Italy. So friends, follow me in this video guide. Go to Google, search for ING Italy. This is for the keyword. Click Banco ING, this first website result, or choose login area reservata, this one for login. You will redirect it to login page, or you can click this one. This is for login. You have two options here, customer codes and birthday. Choose your customer codes and your birthday. After that, write your all details. After that, write your continue. This is one, and then you can log in successfully without any problem. So friends, this is how you can do. Write your customer ID, and then your codes, click continue. If you forget your customer ID, click this option and then choose your details here to get your ING codes from here. You can also download this app on App Store or Google Play. Download this app. After download this app on App Store for ING Italy, download this app and then write your login successfully information here, as like this one, as you can see here. I hope this guide helpful for you friends. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.